So the Kohinoor इधर पे रखा हुआ है. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my vlogs. This is me Prachi and today is day 3 of us in London and we are heading out today. So we're gonna go to the cruise trip, to the bridge and also we're gonna go to the London Eye for that whole trip and I'm really excited. Little jet lagged, got up very late today but yeah, happy and excited and looking forward to our trip. This is our Airbnb guys. We have like 2 rooms there and this is a living room and a kitchen area. Alrighty, see you soon. So guys, we are here and then we have to go to London Bridge. So that's the plan. We are going all the way from Waterloo to the London Bridge. Yes. Yeah, and this is Vivan and that's... So yeah, we're gonna make a big circle here today. So this is Windmill Restaurant. We have one in Dallas too. Looks good from outside, but we are going to the bridge, the London Bridge. So we're gonna walk. Dad and Vivan is coming from the back. Guys, आप लोग की फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन क्या है? मुझे अभी फीलिंग आ रही थी कि डॉलर की वैल्यू कम है बिकॉज $1 is 1.33 pound still. So हम ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं. So yeah, if someone is visiting us from London to America to US, they are in still better shape कि भाई अच्छा हम तो कम पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं. So yeah, थोड़ी देर में हम लंदन ब्रिज पहुंच जाएंगे and I'll show you the London Bridge. So guys, we are 15 minutes through, but जैसे यहाँ थोड़ा सा भी sun आता है ना, like you see, I feel so good because sun ही नहीं आता. Always windy, always surrounded by the clouds. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, sun is out and just 15 minutes left. It's such a beautiful day because आप घर से रेडी हो, कॉफ़ी पियो या कॉफ़ी कैरी करो एंड गाइस यहाँ कोस्टा कॉफ़ी बहुत फेमस है. हर जगह कोस्टा कॉफ़ी के कॉफ़ीज़ मिल रही हैं एंड कैफ़ेज़ हैं एंड ऑल्सो दे कैरी द कोस्टा कॉफ़ी शुगर. सो या मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. चलो एंड देन थ्रू आउट द डे वॉक करते रहो. ऑल्दो वी वर लाइक जेट लैग्ड और हम थोड़े से लेट हैं बट जितना भी डे बचा है हम रात में लाइक 9 बजे तक बाहर रहेंगे एंड देन यू कम बैक, स्लीप, रेस्ट, रिकवर, सेम थिंग टुमारो. These guys are coming and London is beautiful. अच्छा लगा मुझे. Maybe when I get old मैं यहाँ आके सेटल हो सकती हूँ कि you can live here for some time and इधर से उधर हो सकते हैं. So I like that idea. कीर्ति मुझसे पूछ रहा था. So guys, this is the Shard, the tall building you see. So इन लोगों ने ये 10-15 साल पहले ही बनाई है recently, but इनकी यहाँ की famous building है. So we're gonna pass this tall building, the Shard, and we're gonna go through that building to London Bridge. And that's Dada. Dada, what you feeling? Vivan is saying shh. So guys, इन लोग की ना अपनी टीम चलती रहती है कि मम्मा जब व्लॉग ले रही है तो कोई बात नहीं करेगा. They'll just remain quiet. I don't know why, but ये भी इंक्लूड हो सकते हैं बट नहीं, ये कहते हैं shh, mama is making vlog. My family is funny guys, they're funny. So guys, even the closer look and we are almost there to the London Bridge. So guys, that's the building. Here comes the train. So Vivan, do you remember this rhyme called London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down? That famous rhyme we're gonna sing on London Bridge all the way together. You, me and Dada. Okay? Falling down, falling. So guys, while walking I found this famous cute little spot where I can get this caramelized peanut and I got it. And Dada, me and Vivan. Vivan, do you want one? Yes? Take one, you'll fall it. Give one to Dada too. Put him in the mouth. Yeah! And give one to me also. Thank you! So guys, do you see this? The 4 crowns kind of building? That's where the crown jewel is. So crown jewel is the most valuable jewels of London. And यहीं पे queen का कोहिनूर भी रखा हुआ है. So the कोहिनूर इधर पे रखा हुआ है, और जो हमारे इंडिया के किसी राजा ने गिफ्ट किए थे to the queen. Kohinoor. Are we going there? We are not. But that's a museum where they put it. People can go and see it. The crown jewels. So amazing here. So guys, this is our London Bridge. And the song is famous for. You remember that famous song? London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. So when that is the London Bridge. Yeah. And then this is the London Bridge, the famous London Bridge. And this is Thames River, like हमारी गंगा नदी. And वो है Tower Bridge, that blue line here you can see, that is Tower Bridge. So let's go, keep walking. So guys, we are here, and the famous thing, you know, you heard about Uber car, Uber Eats. This is Uber boats. Funny, but yeah, that's the boat. You can book the Uber boat, and then through that you can hop into the boat and just go all the way around. Wow, so good. Hayes Galleria. There's an eating place here. You can eat, snack, and go. So guys, after London Bridge, we made it to the Tower Bridge. So आप ये blue connecting bridge जो देख रहे हैं ना, this is Tower Bridge. So guys, it was so pretty and so windy out there. The view from here, yeah, the airplane and the Vivan. Yeah. Guys, now we have to catch our Uber to the cruise trip, and we ordered the Uber. We're gonna open the Uber, go to the place, from there we take the cruise trip. That's a 40-minute trip, and in 40 minutes. So yeah, this is us signing off from here. Flying on the sky. It's gonna rain?
I just spent water.
Oh, it's a cutie. Sun in London. I feel like it's very rare. Sunny होता ही नहीं है. ये प्लेस होती ही नहीं है, बट आई एम ग्लैड इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन. तो हमें क्रूज में जाना था एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई रेन होगी क्रूज में, बट इट्स नॉट. इट्स गोना बी वंडरफुल. सो वी आर हियर टू लंदन. आई bought ticket, bought tour actually. And Vivan is ready too. Okay.